So as winter slowly pulls away from us and breaks into spring, we're waiting for that, we decided to take a little break on working at the river. We are talking with people about building. We are talking to people about structural issues with where we're going to build. We're also reviewing the septic system and the well and the capabilities of building where we want to build, and we are stopped. We can't move forward. We're waiting on people, actually. So we are just going to do small projects and try to just enjoy the property. We're going to finish a little bit of work on the fire pit down at the bottom of the property closer to the river, and try to build actually a woodshed, and maybe rent a splitter and try to split some of the wood. I don't know if it's something that my sister and I can do, but we'll see. We will try it. We're not having any luck with help. He said he was going to come, and he's just blowing us off. So it's very weird. He's not usually like that. So we don't know what's going on, and really we're both very faithful Christians and wondering if God's just putting a stop to all of this. We don't know. We have a very good friend who's a brilliant mortgage broker, and she advised us to just not build on the river. I'm curious to know what you guys think about it. She says, well, it flooded once, it may flood again. And I said, yeah, but we hadn't had a flood like that in 500 years, so who's to say what that's going to happen again? Anyway, we just don't know, and we're just going to try to enjoy the space as much as possible. But in the meantime, just sit back and enjoy these videos. For those of you who don't know, I am a professional photographer, actually degreed in photography, and have been, I'm a retired professor in photography. So I've been doing this a long time, shooting images since I was 17. I'm 68, so quite a while. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this quick little video of images, and I will be back with you as soon as I can. Thank you for bearing with me. I hope you can tell just by looking at these videos just how beautiful, even in the winter, Western North Carolina can be. People wonder, why do you live there because of the storm? Well, it's just, that was such a fluke. It is just hard to believe even still when I look around. But it is absolutely beautiful here year-round, in my opinion. And I hope this video shows you some of that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you soon.